How to get a PayPal virtual card. So to start, what you need to do is to open your browser and then search for paypal-prepaid.com. And then once you're on the website, simply tap on this order your card option. And then after that, you will be redirected to this page. In here, what you need to do is to fill in all your information and also the direct deposit. So under enter your information, what you need to do is to type your first name, last name, street address, zip code, and also your email. And then after that, you will also have to select which of the following payments would you like to receive with direct deposits. And then once you're done with that, you will have to scroll down and then in here you can now select what card you want to receive. Simply tap on the card that you want and then after that tap on the order a card option. So once you receive your card, what you need to do is to go back on this page and then activate your card. So that's how easy you can get a PayPal virtual card. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!